In today's tutorial on your Saab 9.3, how to change the cabin air filter. I'll start by showing you the Saab 9.3 cabin filter location. The Saab 9.3 cabin air filter location is under the scuttle panel here, and the cabin air filter is always on the passenger side of the vehicle. If this were a left-hand drive vehicle, this would be replicated on that side. The process is exactly the same, just mirror image. To access it, we need to lift this scuttle panel out, but first we need to put the wipers into service position. To put your wipers into the service position, turn on the ignition but without starting the engine. Wait 3 seconds, turn the ignition off and withdraw the key from the ignition key module. Press and hold the flick wipe until the wipers are vertical on the screen. From the passenger side, lift the seal on this flange off the flange to about halfway down and pop this clip out, press the middle and lift out of the hole. Now from this tag and the back, lift this end of the scuttle panel, bending the very end there, bring it forwards and lift all the way up. Note that this end has a rubber hinge to allow you to lift it out from under the A-pillar trim and the corner of the bonnet. Lift away the filter splash guard, and there you see the filter in all its glory. To remove the filter from its housing, unclip these two tags, one at this end, one at this end, take hold of a pleat, pull the top out and lift away. Fitting the new filter is of course the reverse of taking the old filter out, but I've got some additional tips. In the bottom of the air filter box is a strip of foam. Chances are the original foam has long since deteriorated, so clean it out and put a new strip of foam in if that's the case. The foam there helps to make sure that the filter fits snugly inside the box. Have a look on the edge of the filter and you'll see 2 arrows and the words airflow. The arrows indicate the direction of airflow into the cabin. So you would fit the filter with the airflow arrows pointing that way. Make sure to take the filter out of its plastic bag. Yes, I have seen them fitted into cars while still in their plastic bag. Drop the filter down at a slight angle, push the top in and snap the clips into place. Don't forget to put the water shield back in. If you don't, water off the windscreen can run straight down and soak the filter. Make sure that the shield is fitted under this flange where these holes are. The scuttle panel, when you drop it back down, has 3 white fixings fit into these 3 holes. Make sure to get this end flap to go underneath the bonnet edge and push it underneath the bottom of the A-pillar trim. There's a locating tab underneath this area of the rear of the scuttle which needs to go underneath the screen, and then push down to fit the clips into the holes. The washer tube comes out of this back corner here. Reset the clip, align the holes, fit the clip into the hole and then push the centerpiece to flush with the clip. Return the seal to this flange. To return the windscreen wipers to their park position, simply press the wiper switch until they're back down. I hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give it a like down by the title and I'll see you again next time.